Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today start Salesforce Admin interview questions. Very important video. Start the video. First question: can you elaborate on the advantage of the Salesforce CRM? First, Salesforce CRM offer the following advantage. Second, better organizations, compressions. Third, better interactions. Fourth, better understanding of the clients. 5. Salesforce help in the automation of repeated rules dependent tasks. 6. Better analyst evaluate the data, decrease cost and times, refine the effectiveness of the teams. Next, what are the profile in Salesforce? They are set of the configuration and right that determine the permission of the users to the Salesforce platforms. It defines a level of functions that a particular user is allowed to perform in the system. Object permissions such as a read, create, edit, delete, fields level security, app, tab, page, and loads. Salesforce standard offers basic profiles. For example, system admin standard users, but is also offer possibilities to create a more details profiles according to the positions within the company. These profiles are the adapt adapted in ensuring security and at the same time inbuild the users to only use what is relevant to them. Next questions. Mention the kinds of the emails template that are product produced in Salesforce. Sorry, mention the kinds of the emails template that are the produced in the Salesforce. The kinds of emails template produced in Salesforce including of followings. Text template. This can be altered by random users. HTML with letterhead, admin and users with edit HTML. Grant can make these emails template as per the letterhead. Custom HTML admin and users can make the email template without utilize a letterhead. It demand deep knowledge of HTML to enter into the templates. Visual Force image template. This can be made by admin and programmers utilize Visual Force and it can blend the data from the multiple records. Next questions. What is the what is what is these custom object all about according to the Salesforce platforms? A custom object in Salesforce is an object developed thought the users utilize to manage the part part to clients, organization, or other specific business requirement. In contracts with the standard object such as the accounts, contact, and opportunity, which are defined within the Salesforce CRM custom object helps business shape the CRM to their operation. Custom object that are created can be has feeds, page layouts, validation rules related to other object and reports. For example, on might have company name is real estate company, and in this company they have their own unique object called properties that is used to the store only listing and certain the details that are the relevant to the business model of the company. Next questions. What do you think are the skills of Salesforce admin? The skills that a Salesforce admin must have are as follow. Automation producing and managing methods to perform the repetitive activities. Users management, producing and allocating users, handling permission and others. Data management, directing the way the data is collected in the utilized, reporting, producing and handling data visualization, troubleshooting, setting ORG and users problems. Next questions. Can you explain the difference between the profiles and permission set? Profile determine what a users can view and do in Salesforce. Will permission set is used to add others permission one top of the profile without changing the basic profile. On the others hand, profiles are the required for every users and gives the general access privilege. Will permission set are additional can be added as per the requirement of the admin for the limited access to the some models. Permission set are very beneficial when you granting temporary permission or when granting a small number of the permission that do not warrant and creation of the new profiles. Next questions. Explain the concept of object relationship in the Salesforce. Relationship in the Salesforce define how records from on object relate to records in another. There are the three main types of the relationship. First, lookup relationship. Second, master details relationship. Third, many to many relationship. First, lookup relationship means link to the object loosely where one object records can relate to another without the inheriting the parent's object permission ownership. For example, an account can have a multiple contact link view lookups. And second, master details relationship. This is a tiger's connection where the child's object records is dependent on the parents. The child's inherit security and sharing the setting from the parents, and if the parents is deleted is the child's records is also deleted. Next, a many to many relationship used to junction object to create a many to many relationship between to the object. This is useful when the records is in one of object can relate to multiple records in another object and vice versa. Next questions. What is the queue in Salesforce and when is it used? A queue is a Salesforce is a collection of the records that need action from a group of users. It is commonly used for the cases, leads, tasks, and on other object. Queues help assign records to team, a group, and any members of that group can claim ownership of the records from the queues. This is a particularly useful support environment where cases need to be addressed by the available agent. Quick ensure that his records are the assigned and the address efficiently. Next questions. How can you prevent duplicate records in Salesforce? Salesforce offer various way to manage duplicate records, duplicate management, and third-party tools. First, duplicate management. Admin can create a matching rules and duplicate rules to identify and prevent the duplicate records during the data entry. These rules can be block duplicate or simply alert users depending on the configurations. Third-party tools, Salesforce app exchange provide the several the duplications app that offer advanced features for finding and managing the duplicate records, regular audit and data cleaning. Clean tools can also help manage duplicate offer they have been created. Next questions. What is the difference between a public groups and a roles hierarchy? Public groups first, second, role hierarchy. Public group, a set of users, role, or other public groups defined by the admin to grant access to the specific records, reports, dashboards. Public groups are used to the share records across users who do not share a common role hierarchy. Next questions, uh, second point, role hierarchy define the level of access user have to records based on their position within the organization. Users higher in the role hierarchy Next question. What is the Salesforce Shield and what are the components? Salesforce Shield is a set of the security tools that allow a business to meet complaints requirement and protect sensitive data within the Salesforce platforms. Offer is a key components. And event monitoring track users activity and provides long in logs for analyze data trend and detecting the recent VWS feed audit trails extend the irritations period of feeds history data from the 18 month to the 10 years, allowing the organization to maintain the complete audit history platform. Add additional layer of the security by encrypting sensitive data at rest in transit and within the feeds, ensuring the data privacy. These features are the especially users useful for the organization in the regulated industries like finance and healthcare, where the complaint with the data production standard in external. Thank you, friends. Very important video, Salesforce admin job related. So helpful the question in interview. Please my channel like, subscribe, and share and comment. Thank you. Bye, friends.